Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you exercise 4.3. In that, first question, second sub question. So the question is, find the roots of following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing square. So we'll apply this method, and if they exist, we'll find out the roots. So the second question, we'll write the second question. So here is the second question. 2x square plus x minus 4 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and we are going to find out the roots by completing square method. So here there are mainly two steps here. First step, you have to eliminate this quotient of x square, and here the quotient should be 1 here. To make here 1, we have to cancel this 2. So how we are going to, it is multiply with x square. So we have to divide the whole equation by 2. So that this 2 will be cancelled. So the quotient will be 1 here. So let us divide the whole equation by 2. So we'll name this as equation 1. So divide the given equation by 2. So 2x square divided by 2 plus x divided by 2 minus 4 divided by 2 equals to 0. So here 2 ones are 2. So it will be x square plus x by 2, and send this constant term that side. So that is plus 4 by 2. Or here you can write this as 2 ones are 2 2s also you can write. So now next step is, so this is a very important step. Here what you have to do after first step, you have to add the square of. So what you have to add in this equation that you got in step 1, you have to add the square of what? Half of coefficient of x on both the sides. So here you have to add the square of what? Half of quotient of x on both the sides, on LHS and RHS. So first of all, we'll find out the half of quotient of x here. So half of coefficient of x, that we'll get from this step 1. So what is quotient of x here? Half. So half of means into quotient of x is 1 by 2 here. So the answer is 1 1 is 1, 1 2 is 4. So add the square of, so we have to square it. Square of this. So square of this is equals to what? The square of half of coefficient of x. So square means you have to square this. Square of half of quotient of x is 1 by 4. So it's square. So this you have to add. Remember, add the square of what? Half of quotient of x is 1 by 4 on both the sides. So we'll add this on both the sides. X square plus x upon 2. So always remember, you have to send this constant term that side. So we are going to add this square of half of quotient of x. So by sufficient practice, you will come to know that you can add this directly. No need to write these all steps. Equals to 4 by 2. You can write here 2 also, or you can write 4 by 2. Afterwards, you can solve this. Add on both the sides. So remember, whenever you are adding, subtracting something, you have to add on LHS and RHS also, so that it will hold the equality. Now this will be directly, this will get what? First term, this is last term, or 3 terms are having plus. So it will be like a plus b the whole square. So here there will be the two possibilities on LHS, either a plus b whole square or a minus b the whole square. So 3 terms are having plus sign. So it will be a plus b the whole square. So here a is x here and b is 1 by 4. It's square. So you can verify this. Equals to 4 by 2, I'll keep as it is, plus 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16. So no need to solve this LHS. Let us solve for RHS now, because we are going to send this square that side. So here LCM is 16. So here you can write 2 8s are. So here 2 8s are will be 16. So we are going to multiply the numerator with 8 also. So 2 8s are 16. So 4 8s are 32. And here the 16 is already there. So just we'll write 1. So x plus 1 by 4 its square equals to 33 upon 16. So in order to find out the value of x, because roots are nothing but the values of x. So x plus 1 by 4, we'll send this square, that side will be square root of 33 by 16. So x plus 4, 1 by 4 equals to, so 33 is not perfect square. So we'll get here root 33 only, and 16, the square root of 16 is 4 here, and this will be plus or minus. So now first we have to equate this x plus 1 by 4 to with plus root 33 by 4 and then with minus root 33 by 4. So x plus 1 by 4 equals to plus root 33 divided by 4. So x will be equals to here 33. So plus, no need to write plus, divided by 4 minus. So send this 1 by 4, that side will be minus 1 by 4. So x will be equals to root 33 minus 1 whole divided by 4, because 4 will be the LCM. So this is one of the root of the given quadratic equation. Similarly, x plus 1 by 4, this x plus 1 by 4 you have to equate to minus root 33 divided by 4. So x equals to minus root 33 divided by 4. Send this 1 by 4 that side. It will be minus 1 by 4. So 4 is the LCM. So this is minus root 33 minus 1. This is one of the remaining root of given quadratic equation. So x equals to root 33 minus 1 upon 4, and x equals to minus root 33 minus 1 upon 4. These two are the roots of given quadratic equations. So if you like my video, do like, subscribe and comment.